Welcome to the training how to optimize production with the test mode. Why we do winding trials with yarn clearers. Winding trials are necessary in order to determine the best suitable clearer setting for specific yarn faults. Best clearer setting in this regard means two things. 1. Specific yarn faults disturbing the fabric appearance or following production processes are cut by yarn clearer and removed from package. 2. Production of winding machines stays at optimum level. How to do it? In order to achieve this target, it is not sufficient to just rely on yarn fault classification data. Powerful tools to perform efficient winding trials. Those are specifically, the test mode functionality of the central unit and the display on the sensing head. How to use those tools? Activate test mode. Select test duration. Select N2, A2, B1 and C0 faults. For this test, we have only activated winding head number 7. Run spindle. The spindle is blocking after B1 fault. Put B1.1 fault on yarn board and continue with the winding trial. Conclusion. Analyze yarn board, and decide whether the specific yarn fault detected by YarnMaster's Unit Plus is disturbing or not. Seeing is believing.